Okay, this is 3906 East Bird Street, 4-unit apartment complex. We are pretty much done with this place, waiting, just installing the appliances left. New mailboxes. Got rid of the tree that was in front here, chopped a few branches down. Now we got a lot more light coming through. Step back to see if you can see a better look of this. Let's go in and take a look at the first unit here. Did a little landscaping outside. Put some red mulch to bring the colors out. 2 new cement slabs. Took away all the wood decking. Tree used to be here, and all this wood chips came from that tree stump. This is the first unit, Unit A here. You can see the appliances are here already. We still have to install it, but this is the kitchen. Hood fan is in. Plumbing for the washer and dryer. It's the resilient wood flooring, made for high traffic, water resistant. This is the bathroom. Oak vanity here, mirrors, lights, fan, everything's installed. New toilet. Same flooring all throughout. Bedroom 1. Doors, everything's in. New water heater installed. New AC. Second bedroom here. That's Unit A. Let's go back out, take a look at Unit B. It's a new slab here. That's where all the plumbing meters are, the 4 units. Walking in here. We had to replace a lot of drywall in this unit due to the mold. Kitchen cabinets. Bathroom, we put tiles in this bathroom. New toilet, same vanity. Shower area, all tiled. Bedroom 1. Bedroom 2. Double sliding door. And this is new water heater, new AC. That's Unit B. Let's go out to the back, take a look at the backyard parking lot. These are the AC units, condensers here. Nice lock, caged up. 2 on each side. This is the parking lot back here. We had to trim a lot of these trees down too. It was hanging really low. At least we got a lot of light in here now. Look at the parking lot. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spaces total, plus room for a little more. at least 2 parking space per unit, which is pretty good. Look at the gutters. Did the gutters all the way down. Burglar bar still good. Painted all the handrails. We have to sand a lot of this stuff off to restore it. This is the unit that was tiled already. Upstairs unit, double wide open windows, cabinets. We change all the hinges and paint them. Look very modernized. New countertop. It's a laundry area. The electrical is good. Bathroom in this here. Everything's white in here. This is the bedroom that has a sliding glass door. Over here, this second bedroom. Doors, everything already placed. Water heater, brand new. And the AC is up in the attic over here. It's a new unit. That's it. Let's go take a look at the other unit. Walk upstairs. Here's the other AC condensers, all caged up too. Yes, this is the last unit here. Double wide open windows. Kitchen area. Same, this kitchen we painted a different color. But they all have new hinges and knobs, new countertop. This laundry area all have new hookups and new outlets. Flooring here is the resilient flooring. Tiles in the bathroom. New water heater. First bedroom. Closet in the hallway. Second bedroom. Smoke detectors are all hardwired in. All connected to each other. One ring, every one of them ring. That's pretty much it.